This is a carpet of Erigeron Kavinskianus, or Mexican Fleabane, as I know. Now, I planted it here because the soil is really poor. It's really dry. It's kind of an area that I never got round to doing. It's full of rocks, stones, gravel. It gets full sun and very little water. And this plant is brilliant for ground cover in those really tricky areas. So I don't even weed this, but the Erigeron tends to dominate and take over. So if you've got that part of your garden that is gravelly, that has poor soil, that gets an awful lot of sun, that doesn't get a lot of water, this is a brilliant plant, and it flowers for months on end. Starts about, I'm going to say May, all the way through to October, November, dies down in winter, but is fully winter hardy and comes back every single year. And as a bonus, it often self-seeds as well. Can you see those plants over there? I didn't plant them, they just appeared. Now, depending on the time of year and season, you can buy these as various size plug plants or garden ready in 9cm pots. I chose plug plants and they covered this whole area in literally a few months.